Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Haywood, a peaceful farming community in southern Manitoba with a big heart and small town charm. The area was settled in the early 1900s, mostly by French-speaking families looking to build a better life on the prairies. Haywood was named after one of the original landowners, a man named John Haywood, who played a role in establishing the town site. Over the years, the community grew around the local church, school, and grain elevators that supported the surrounding farms. Like many prairie towns, the railway once played a key role in daily life, helping move goods and people across the province. Today, Haywood remains close-knit with strong ties to both its agricultural roots and French heritage. Whether you're exploring rural Manitoba or just passing through, Haywood is a warm and welcoming stop along the way. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Haywood, Manitoba. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Thanks for watching.